Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Digital Terminal welcomes you all for the prestigious DT Awards 2020. Presenting partner Dell, associate partner Micron, who are watching us live across all our digital platform, which includes Facebook, YouTube, and our website www.digitalterminal.in. I am Kuldeep Sishodia, your host for the very first virtual award night in India for ICT industry. This year, we all have suffered a lot due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, but our ICT industry has been only light in the so difficult time. Technology helped us in staying connected with each other. We as ICT family stayed focused and determined about our role as key pillars in providing technology and solution to Indian people in a crisis like we have never faced before. But now is the time to celebrate the hard work we did in the calendar year 2020. But before this year ends, we are here again with the result of 11th edition of DT Awards, the Best Brand and Product Innovation Honor. From India's leading technology media house, Digital Terminal is one of the most sought and prestigious awards for all technologies companies to achieve. The time has again come to recognize your countless effort in bringing innovative and best quality products for Indian consumers. It's again time for giving value and recognition to all your crucial contribution to ICT industry in calendar year 2020. DT Awards' objective has always remained to reward the entire IT community for their great collaboration and partnership, which assist this industry in going with great pace. The idea behind such initiative is to acknowledge the importance of this great partnership between vendors, channel partners, and customers. The stage is set and the result has been sealed. So we are finally ready to announce the winner of DT Awards 2020, which is 11th Best Brand Product Innovation Honor for the IT industry. Yes guys, हम लोग तैयार हैं और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी लोग भी पूरी तरीके से रेडी होंगे और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होंगे DT Awards के लिए. So to start DT Award Night 2020, may I welcome Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Publisher and Editor, DT and Director, News.Media Private Limited, to deliver his welcome speech for our entire digital audience who are watching us live tonight.
I am really pleased to welcome you all for DT Awards 2020, continuing our mission to empower ICT industry and be the true catalyst for entire industry. DT is ready to announce 11th Best Product and Innovation Honor. I'm sure you all guys must be waiting to know the winners of DT Awards 2020. Tech Awards में DT Awards का वेट हर साल आप करते हैं, स्पेशली टेक ब्रांड्स, चैनल पार्टनर्स एंड कस्टमर्स. और इस बार का शो आसान काम नहीं था, बट विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ टेक ब्रांड्स एंड पार्टनर्स, लव फ्रॉम यू ऑल, वी फाइनली डिड दिस. पिछले 11 सालों में हमें कभी ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला, बट एग्जिस्टिंग पैंडेमिक ने हमें एक मौका दिया अपनी रीच बढ़ाने का, और इस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से हम पहुंच रहे हैं हजारों ऑडियंस के पास. The DT Awards has become most prestigious honor and a landmark for all companies to achieve. Each passing year, it's becoming bigger and bigger. And this time, we are virtual, which is India's first ICT Tech Awards. We are really happy that being a responsible tech media, we have been up to your expectations this time as well. With all your love and support, we have succeeded in bringing this grand award night for all of you. The responses which we have got this time tells the entire story. This was really amazing as we have seen sharp increase in online voting. The partners have voted in large number to help us in deciding the winners of DT Awards 2020 in all different categories. In terms of support, we have gained much more support as compared to all our previous editions despite the huge existing challenges. We succeeded in winning the trust of many new brands who have come out and supported this grand event. It's not only victory for us, but it's each of you who contributed to make this event a really virtual gala award night. This journey has been so exciting and successful so far, and it's all because of you guys who trusted us and made this a fruitful journey. You guys have been always with us in the journey and contributed a lot for the same. I'm sure most of you have been attending our event since the first edition and have witnessed our growth since then. Thanks for being with us on this journey, which has just started and is still at the nascent stage. I'm sure you will continue to ride with us for the well-being of the ICT industry. Moving ahead, we assure you to have very huge successful 11th DT Award night, as we always plan to make bigger. I'm sure you will see the difference and overall hard work we put in making this most admirable and first virtual award night for the entire ICT industry. Lastly, I would say thank you for your support and commitment for joining us live for this Gala Award night and helping us in making this a really grand affair. Wishing all the best to all nominees. Thank you and stay tuned with us to know the winners of DT Awards 2020. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan. Digital Terminal is one of the leading ICT news platform in the country and has been serving the industry since 2009. DT Pan India reach makes its favorite amongst all the industry players. DT helps our readers to keeping them updated about all the latest products information, news, vendor announcements and channel awareness through its various platforms. Now, may I request Ms. Jyoti Janda, Executive Editor, DT and Director, News.Media Private Limited, to share her opening notes for the audience.
On behalf of entire team DT, I welcome you all who are watching us live across all our digital platforms. Finally, the time has arrived for which you all have waited so long. We worked really hard in bringing this show, which was very much needed to conclude the year on a good note for our entire ICT community. DT Awards, now into its 11th edition, is India's most prestigious award for our industry. Through this platform, I would like to share that today where we are is not our destination, it's a journey. Me and Rajiv founded this platform in year 2009 and started a journey to empower channel partners and help them grow their business. We started Digital Terminal 11 years ago to fill the dots between brands and partners. Since then, we work towards the goal to provide best news and information platform for entire ecosystem and contribute towards overall growth of ICT market in India. We succeeded in achieving those set goals. Now we have turned 11-year-old media house and proudly serving ICT industry since we born. Today, we are among India's top technology media houses who have consistently performed well despite all challenges. The publication initially focused on print magazine only, but with emergence of digital era, we gradually built 360-degree approach by establishing strong digital presence and effective event platforms. I'm sure you guys too are very much excited to know the winners of DT Awards 2020. So please keep watching DT Awards 2020 across all our digital platforms. Thank you again.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। और दोस्तों, एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट आप सभी लोगों के लिए। ऑल्दो मैं ये चीज़ जानता हूं कि आप लोग काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं DT अवार्ड्स 2020 के विनर्स को जानने के लिए, और जो कि हम बहुत जल्दी आप लोगों को बताने वाले हैं।
So please stay tuned at any of our digital platform because you can be a lucky winner of TP-Link's networking product. Any 3 viewers who will keep watching this show till end will get a chance to win this networking product from brand TP-Link, which is India's leading networking brand.
You have to simply subscribe our DT YouTube channel, follow DT page on Facebook and Instagram account as well. Most important, you have to watch the show very carefully, as in between the entire show there will be 3 codes which will flash to your screen on a regular interval. So what you have to do, you just need to note down all these 3 codes and then need to reply all the 3 codes in the comment section before the show concludes. So request you to please watch this show completely till the end so that you can get a chance to be one of the lucky winner tonight.
Now's the time to call a person who has seen evolution of IT industry since 80s and has contributed a lot towards overall growth of Indian IT market. He has been instrumental in making Iris Computers India's one of the most successful distribution company who has helped all leading tech brands to expand their business in India. Now may I request Mr. Sanjeev Krishn, Chairman, Iris Global Services Private Limited, to share his insight about the distribution business in current situation.
We have all been through a very trying period for the last 6 months. The good news is that we are out of it. The vaccine has been developed and it should be coming soon. But before the vaccine was developed, our health in the industry has certainly improved. What I find now is that there are few industries which are firing for the IT sector. We've had a great success with the educational institutions. We have received orders worth several crores. We got an order from Kendriya Vidyalaya for 55 crore. We've got orders for 6,500 tablets and laptops from Narayana to set up tab labs. So for us, in the industry, IT industry, the upward swing has started. The other area where I find the potential is high is in the area of cameras, CCTVs, surveillance. Huge tenders are coming up. With the recent judgment of the Supreme Court that all police stations and courts should have CCTVs provides us another opportunity for tapping a new market potential. The Sensex has crossed 46,000 rupees, 46,000 the index, and the GST collections have crossed 1 lakh crore per month once again, bringing it back to the level that was there before the COVID. So the future looks good, and I think that this is the time we should all get together and reinforce our strength and see that the business comes back to even a higher level than we were. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank DT. It's a new organization that has come up very well in the industry. They're covering many of the events. They've done some excellent write-ups on products. And I'd like to wish all the best to Rajiv and Jyoti for this venture which they have taken and for recognizing us as the most preferred distributor. Thank you.
Moving ahead for corporate messages which we have for our audience today. We all know about brand Sophos, world market leader in providing best security to all the digital assets. The brand is leading player in the Indian ICT market as well as with its effective security solutions. The success which they have achieved in the Indian market with support of channel partners in India tells entire story about their commitment for Indian market, especially in the last 6 months, which were very difficult for all of us. Let's listen from Sunil Sharma, Managing Director, Sales, Sophos India and SARC, what message he has for his large network of channel partners. Can we connect to the sir?
Thank you for listening to me. Digital Terminal is a wonderful technology platform where I wanted to share my views and thoughts with you as my prestigious partners. Thank you very much for again listening to me. I think when I look at the pandemic time and this COVID-19 time, you people are true Corona warriors. Why? Because you were the ones who actually made the people, working from home possible. Your reps, your engineers were the ones who were visiting, the sites of physically at the customer side, changing the policies as what they wanted to have it, and you made that possible. So really congratulations for that, and thank you very much to make that happen. At the same time, I truly understand during this pandemic time, you actually were the very important thread of the entire distribution chain who would make it possible by delivering goods, appliances, security systems, and also not only just delivered, but deployed them beautifully at the customer sites. And you have not holded any payment for distributors. Rather, I have seen a lot of partners got extended their credit limits from bank and paid from their own pocket till the time customer could pay them because of the pandemic time. You as partners are doing a terrific job. You are a trusted advisor for your customers, and this particular aspect you have shown to the entire world during the pandemic time what it means as a trusted advisor, means standing there when customer needed you the most, and you did that job. As a vendor, Sophos has been providing extensive support to partners like you. Even our philosophy, our go-to-market is channel first, and truly, we have been enabling partners on the Sophos security product portfolio every day, 24/7. Every week on Friday, we have such kind of webinars being conducted and training programs are happening by our distributors and, with the help of our SE team. So I would request on this platform to join us and let us make this world more safer and secure from the cyber criminal world. So thank you very much. Really appreciate listening to me. Truly appreciate. Thank you.
N.K. Goyal, President CMAI, is a well-known face in ICT industry and has been a part of government's many telecom retailed bodies. He has been a part of DT Awards since 2009 and has always guided publication with his knowledge and insight. Let's see the message, what he has to say this time for us.
डिजिटल टर्मिनल के सभी दर्शकों को मेरा नमस्कार, प्रणाम. I must say, I am very happy indeed to be here today on 11th Digital Terminal Awards. Mr. Rajiv and Jyoti are doing great service to the industry by organizing these awards for last more than 10 years. I remember Digital Terminal was formed in 2009, and ever since they are contributing and helping a lot to the industries by organizing events, seminar, conferences and magazines online and print. It is very commendable that even during the COVID days, they have been able to give information to industries. And I must say that all the subscribers and delegates of Digital Terminal are taken as an honorary member of Association TEMA and CMAI. To that extent, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan gets all information regarding government policies, government procedures, new developments, new initiatives, which are passed on to the members and delegates of Digital Terminal. It's not an easy job to recognize the excellence and present the awards among the industry. There is a fierce competition every year and everybody wants to win the award. I want to congratulate and compliment all the awardees, and those who are left out, there is always hope for next year. Let them do better performance, better services, and go ahead. I can only say to Rajiv and Jyoti, please continue to do this service for all of us, because these type of services are very rare now available in India. Thank you. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Micron Technology is a world leader in innovating memory and storage solution that accelerate the transformation of information into intelligence, inspiring the world to learn, communicate, and advance faster than ever. In India, the brand is offering innovative and advanced memory and storage solution to the large customer base. Let's see this audiovisual to know more about the brand.
Our world, our experience, is being transformed by data. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, predictive analytics, neural networks. These aren't technologies of tomorrow. They're here today, analyzing, modeling, predicting, and discovering, uncovering deeper, more human insights, and enriching life's experiences. And it's all made possible with Micron. Our memory and storage is at the foundation of this data transformation, storing the data generated by practically every type of smart device and high-speed computer on the planet, and pushing processing to the next level. 2.5 quintillion bytes per day, every day, and growing exponentially. An infinite torrent of data. We're turning information into insight and activating data to reach higher realms of productivity and innovation. We are Micron, and we are transforming how the world uses information to enrich life.
When it comes to cybersecurity, Kaspersky is the brand which comes first in our mind. With a strong R&D team, Kaspersky boosts our awareness on regular basis by providing on-time cyber threat trend and solution to secure our digital assets. In recent time, the brand has strongly positioned themselves as a true market leader in India. To know more about the brand's stake for Indian market, let's see what Mr. Purushottam Bhatia, Head of Consumer Business, South Asia, Kaspersky, has to share for our audience today at this platform.
We are Kaspersky Lab. We are 22 years young company present in cybersecurity domain. We have been very active in consumer space and corporate space, securing our clients across 200 countries. We're present across the globe. It has been really a fantastic journey of our company, protecting each and every consumer or each and every individual from cyber threat or cyber attack. In today's world, where we live, it is more of a digital engagement world where more than 4.5 billion of active users we have on internet. Around 115 billion of emails are exchanged daily, and we proudly say that we have around 467 million phishing attack detected basically, and to surprise this number, half of these attacks were actually done for stealing money. So when we look around in this world, basically anyone and everyone can be victim of cyber threat, and that's what our company motto is, to make this world a cyber threat free world. We are here to protect the world from any cyber threat. We are the most innovative company present in this domain. We've been awarded by Consumer Choice Awards by Gartner and other institutions, named institutions across the globe. That's how we have created this confidence in consumers who are actually the real users of the product, and they feel really safe using our products. And we proudly take this responsibility of protecting each and every individual in this world. We are more focused towards creating more and more innovations in cybersecurity, protecting more and more cyber attacks, basically, be it anti-malware, phishing, any sort of industrial attacks. We are very much present in endpoint security space and been working towards protecting each and every possible attack which has already happened or in near future which will happen. Our core strength is basically our R&D team, which is like most efficient team which we have, and proudly we say that 1/3 of the entire team of our company is the R&D team, which are based across the globe, and they actually monitor all kind of cyber threats. They actually are day in, day out working to possibly stop, recognize and identify what are the possible methods of cyber criminals in this world to attack you or attack your family via any digital or via any malware, which is a common practice in this era. And precisely these attacks are being increasing day by day, and that's where our job comes in. And I'm happy and privileged to take this responsibility, and we as a company are really proud that we'll continue to provide our services to the community and to the consumers, and we continue to protect our consumers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Western Digital is one of the biggest storage solution provider globally and effortlessly driving innovation to help the world in preserving the data. Western Digital has brought a revolution in the data storage industry through its robust storage solution portfolio. When it comes to India, Western Digital is thriving exponentially and delivering upon the customer needs. Let's see the video to explore more about the brand.
Western Digital is a company of engineers, of inventors, of makers, all united in one purpose: to enable data to help you solve your greatest challenges. We're more than 60,000 strong, spread across multiple globe-spanning manufacturing facilities, rich in talent, and holding some of technology's most groundbreaking patents in hard disk drive and flash memory. We don't just work with technology, we invent it. Whether your business depends on big data or fast data, managing data in the cloud, on the edge, or on the device, we deliver storage solutions that enable your success. How? We are involved in every step of the data storage process, from engineering to manufacturing. Our heads, media, NAND, and other critical components are designed to work together. This gives us incredible flexibility and the power of economy that's transferred directly to you. We look for opportunities to help push efficiency up and TCO down. We don't just manufacture technology, we tailor it to meet your specific needs. From customizable firmware stacks to vendor-specific protocols for scale-out storage and embedded flash, we make thousands of wafers and millions of dies. As a leader in data infrastructure with industry-leading solutions that deliver the possibilities of data, all of our solutions are designed for a market of one: you. With a reputation of quality, innovation, and trust, we're here to deliver game-changing storage solutions to enable you to solve the world's biggest challenges. Because at Western Digital, we don't just do technology, we do it right.
RPTech India is the leading distributor of IT and mobility solutions in India. Being one of the top distributors in India, the company has partnered with over 9,000 plus partners, retailers and customers in over 750 towns and cities. RPTech is catering a vast consumer base and accelerating its growth year on year. Let's play the corporate video to know more details about the company.
In current times, excellence makes you different from others and helps to emerge as a rising star. At RPTech India, our philosophy is to lead from all frontiers and show the world that business is all about relationship, commitment, and perseverance. Growing at a consistent 25% CAGR, RPTech India is the leading value-added distributor of IT and mobility solutions in India. Founded in 1989 by visionary Mr. K.K. Chaudhary and Mr. S.M. Pansari, RPTech India evolved in its journey and has been recognized as the #1 distributor in India by various media publications. With a fundamentally strong and robust business model spread across 5 business verticals: component, peripherals, personal computing, mobile, and other market verticals like retail, online, and enterprise. We are proudly serving to renowned global brands such as ASUS, Google, HP, Intel, Logitech, Lenovo, Nvidia, SanDisk, Toshiba, TP-Link and many more. Our strong network of 50 branches and 50 service centers, supported by 400 plus eminent sales force, called as champions, are serving more than 9,000 plus immensely satisfied partners and millions of users across 750 locations. Each of the branches also has a state-of-the-art warehouse to ensure seamless availability of products. This vast distribution infrastructure is hosted on a robust ERP SAP system. We are efficiently driving business from various marketplaces such as LFRs, e-commerce and our very own rptechindia.com. Our elite sales force, with the strive to be the best commitment, are supporting customers and channel partners across the regions. Our 360-degree marketing approach, intensive focus on channel partners training and deeper engagement with end customers through dedicated social media platforms are the major pillars of our remarkable success. Our contribution has been acknowledged, appreciated and awarded by prominent media publications with more than 600 plus media coverages per year. We have also been awarded various prestigious accolades such as Best National Distributor, Fastest Growing Distributor, Best Value-Added Distributor, etc. by vendors and media houses. While climbing the ladder of success, we are also committed to build a more informed society and a prospering world. To put this into execution, we have initiated various e-waste management and CSR activities.
Started with component business, RPTech has expanded its wing in PC, networking, mobility and enterprise business.
RPTech is growing consistently 25% CAGR over last 15 years, maintaining the growth momentum. We are confident of crossing $1 billion milestone in next 2 to 3 years.
Our aspiration is to reach to the last mile of customers and partners and penetrate in 1,000 plus cities.
We believe in both organic as well as inorganic growth. We will continue to grow our market share within existing business portfolio. Various media have rated us as #1 value-added distribution in India. We are continuously improving our partners' experience by upgrading marketing, logistics, services and overall customer experience to sustain our lead role in the market.
When we talk value-added distributor, it is not just addition value to the product what we are dealing in. We want to add value to everything, to our employees, to the country, to the society, and by and large to each and every person living in India.
Our vision is to become a $1 billion company soon, while maintaining ethical business practices at the highest standards. We are committed to make IT and mobility solutions available in each of the 750 districts in India, while consistently retaining our year-to-year growth at 25% CAGR. We are extremely proud to be the most admired distributor in India. A growth aspirant, we are poised to become a one-stop shop for all technology needs of Indian consumers. We are dreamers with the passion for excellence. We are RPTech India.
Tele Solutions is a pioneer in the ERP solutions market, and its powerful products help businesses to run smoothly. Tele Solutions has been a true leader in the ERP market, and it is catering to millions of businesses across the verticals. The regular innovation is the biggest power of Tele, which has helped it to dominate the industry. Tele has a strong partner ecosystem with which it commits to offer a delightful customer experience. Let's see this audiovisual to know more about the brand.
More than 30 years ago, with a mission to simplify everyday lives for small and medium business owners across the world, Tally was born. A hub of innovation to deliver cutting-edge technology for business growth, built with a single-minded focus of delivering the best experience for you, because your life, your challenges, your aspirations inspire us. In the course of the last 3 decades, our deep-rooted purpose to delight has translated to delivering the best in speed, flexibility, reliability, and simplicity, helping you become efficient and allowing you to focus on growth. Through the tectonic shifts that business and technology have witnessed, we have stood strong as a trusted partner, finding newer and better ways to empower you with technology made for you. Today, we stand on the precipice of yet another disruption that would transform business operations, bringing extraordinary efficiency and flexibility to the fore. Tally ERP9, that ruled the roost for years, makes way for its new and improved successor, as simple gets even more simpler and the joy of usage goes up several notches. Presenting Tally Prime, make everyday simple.
एक बढ़ता व्यापार आपसे काफी कुछ मांगता है हर दिन, और जब आपके पास करने के लिए काफी काम हो तो आपको चाहिए एक ऐसा साथी जो हो तेज, भरोसेमंद, आपके अनुकूल और सरल। पेश है नया टैली प्राइम, एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर जो बिजनेस संभालना बनाए आसान। ये आपको और आपके व्यापार को समझता है और आपके हिसाब से चलता है, ताकि आप अपने व्यापार से बेहतर तरीके से जुड़े रहें। तो आइए देखते हैं टैली प्राइम कैसे चीजें आसान करता है। नए गो टू बटन का इस्तेमाल करें अपने बिजनेस रिपोर्ट्स को आसानी से देखने के लिए। इस बटन का इस्तेमाल कर आप एक रिपोर्ट से दूसरे रिपोर्ट तक जा सकते हैं, चाहे आप प्रोडक्ट में कहीं भी हो। गो टू बटन एक नए टॉप मेन्यू का हिस्सा है जो आपको डेटा एंट्री के दौरान हुई रुकावटों का सामना करने में मदद करेगा। इतना ही नहीं, आप प्रोडक्ट में कहीं भी हों, आप वहां से प्रिंट, ईमेल, एक्सपोर्ट जैसे ऑप्शंस को यूज कर सकते हैं किसी भी डेटा पर। मल्टीटास्किंग करना अब बन गया बहुत आसान। टैली प्राइम के साथ अब बिजनेस रिपोर्ट्स को आपके हिसाब से देखना अब और भी आसान है। नए बटन जो हर रिपोर्ट में मौजूद हैं, आपको रिपोर्ट्स का फायदा उठाने में मदद करेंगे। चेंज व्यू से किसी भी रिपोर्ट को अलग अलग तरीकों से देख सकते हैं। साथ ही ये आपको उस रिपोर्ट से जुड़े अन्य रिपोर्ट्स के बारे में भी बताएगा। बेसिस ऑफ वैल्यूज के जरिए आप उन पैरामीटर्स को बदल सकते हैं जो रिपोर्ट पर प्रभाव करते हैं। इससे आप रिपोर्ट के अलग अलग पहलुओं को देख सकते हैं। एक्सेप्शन रिपोर्ट्स के जरिए आप उस डेटा को फिल्टर कर सकते हैं जो रिपोर्ट्स में एक्सेप्शन का रूप ले रहा है। वाउचर और लेजर बनाना अब और भी आसान है। मोर डिटेल्स बटन की मदद से अब आप उन सभी परिस्थितियों को संभाल सकते हैं जो आपके रोजाना काम में उभरते हैं। इसका मतलब अब आपका काम कम समय में पूरा हो जाएगा। तो अगर आपको बनाना है हर दिन आसान, टैली प्राइम है जवाब। tallysolutions.com पर जाएं और डाउनलोड करें आज ही। टैली प्राइम, मेक एवरीडे सिंपल।
Avita is the US-based consumer arm of Nextco Company Limited, which is known for its youth-centric products. The brand has made its identity across the world through performance-oriented products and best-in-class after-sales service infrastructure. Avita is effortlessly working towards bringing innovative range of products and enhancing the consumer experience. Let's play the video from the brand to know more.
Advancements in CPU, RAM, and other hardware, as well as limited living and workspace, means more and more people are opting for laptops for business and personal matters. With similar functionalities among different brands, people do care about a laptop's look as much as its practicality. After all, we spend 8 to 9 hours on it every day. That said, most laptops on the market only offer limited choices in terms of looks and colors, lacking personality. Avida, the brand we are looking at today, incorporates various fashion elements into its designs, serving both form and function. Well, Avida should not be a new name for many of you, but do you know the meaning behind it? Avida means life in Latin. It embraces diversity and the full spectrum of personalities in life. And this is reflected in the brand's unique designs that bring tech fashion to the conversation. Combining technology and fashion, the brand is known for integrating everyday motifs into its designs and bringing impact to its users. For example, the Liber V series, which we will see in a minute, takes on a postmodern architectural inspiration. Avida has gained wide recognition in the industry for its pioneering designs and snatched international awards including the 2020 CES Innovation Awards and 2019 Computex Best Choice Award. With the brand's background out of the way, let's look at their latest laptops. Coming up first is the well-beloved Liber V. Sporting a distinctive appearance, the laptop comes in the more usual black, gold, and silver color. In a pleasant surprise, here we also get to choose from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and other colors. With over 14 color choices to choose from, you also get free laser engraving service, with which you can engrave names or words into the chassis to reflect your unique style. The first thing I noticed is the little bump at the top. This design is inspired by the avant-garde, the most Instagrammed fortress La Muralla Roja in Spain, one of the greatest works of the Spanish postmodern architect Ricardo Bofill, who was also known as the Visions of Architecture. Liber V's neat geometric lines reference the aesthetics of the fortress, while cleverly placing the webcam out of the screen, harmoniously blending the postmodern epistemology of geometry into the chassis for a visually pleasing look. Slimmer and more compact than ever, this Avida laptop features a 14-inch screen, full HD IPS anti-glare LCD with an ultra-narrow bezel of only 3.7 millimeters. A 72% screen-to-body ratio is achieved, providing users with a wider screen area. The sophisticatedly engineered Liber V fits a 14-inch screen inside the 13.3-inch chassis, making the most of its petite size. Besides, this ultra-portable laptop only weighs 1.28 kilograms. The 14-inch model houses a full-size backlit keyboard, an extra-large touchpad, a fingerprint reader, as well as USB-A and USB-C ports, micro HDMI port, micro SD slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Other than the colors, the series offers different processor options, the 10th Gen Intel Core i5, i7, AMD Ryzen 5, and Ryzen 7, serving the needs of different users who may use it for work or for entertainment. Speaking of AMD, the series coming up next is Pura, one of the best sellers from Avida. Originally released with Intel processors, the latest models come with an option of AMD Ryzen 3 3200U or Ryzen 5 3500U. These two models with AMD are both equipped with a Radeon Vega graphic card, allowing an augmented graphic processing power that makes 4K viewing, gaming, and video editing a breeze. Without any noticeable lags, multitasking is not an issue. What's worth mentioning is that the Ryzen 5 model features 4 Zen 2 courses. Performance is boosted by 15% compared to earlier models, while the operation access capacity is doubled. Coming in 9 distinguished colors, Pura is best suited for gaming and photo or video editing. The last one to examine today is Essential, which I find very pretty. But before I begin, let me go through the unboxing with you. While positioning itself as an entry-level laptop, it adopts a unique cloth texture on the cover and around the keyboard with 3 color options of matte white, matte black, and concrete gray. Resembling a finely crafted, fashionable sketchbook, Essential definitely sports an attractive look. To echo the theme of fashion, even the packaging mimics a business clutch handbag that can double as a laptop bag for you to carry around. Consistency is seen from packaging to the laptop design, proving that Avida always gives their products extra thought. Essential has a 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare screen that ensures a comfortable viewing angle for daily tasks, ideal for students and office workers. It is an elegant laptop that won't break your bank. After looking at Liber V, Pura, and Essential, I feel that Avida understands very well what the users actually need, offering various processor options as well as portable designs to meet the needs of the younger, more urban demographic. Portability and a chic look are what the younger gen is looking after in a laptop. It's nice to see Avida is unleashing creativity within the limits of laptops and produce laptops that are unique and innovative. From the very first laptop, The brand has gained success through its consistent, iconic tech fashion theme, which really deserves our appreciation.
ESET is a global leader in offering top-notch security solutions for businesses as well as end consumers. In recent years, ESET has witnessed huge growth and continuing the momentum through its market presence and wide solution portfolio. In India, the brand has strongly established itself as one of the biggest provider of security solutions, and its consumer base is spread across the boundary. Check out this video for a message from ESET.
Everything that is important in our life requires some level of safety. That's why cybersecurity is in these days so important. And we have our data in the cloud, we have our photos in our phones, important documents in our laptops and computers. And you need to secure that because at the end it's a part of your life and you need to feel safe to be able to use the technology to the extent that we are using it these days. If there is a region that for the last 10 years has been developing rapidly in terms of technology, it has been Asia. Many countries there are on the, I would say, on the top of the wave, especially on what is connected to telecommunications and mobility.
The major transformation is taking place in India, where the government has started several initiatives. One of them is Indians to have bank accounts, most of them in the rural areas as well, so that basically they can be connected, the communication can be smoother, information can transfer faster. It's like a digital revolution, e-commerce, online transactions. It brings a lot of ease and convenience for normal consumers and businesses as well.
ESET is a global company, founded in '92. Since the early days, we were what was traditionally called antivirus, which evolved to today internet security company or IT security company, specifically focusing now on providing cloud security and tools like endpoint detection and response. The reason why people should care is because there's a lot that's actually stored in the digital world. Typically for people, these are pictures they're taking, of course, but it's all the data that we're working with, all of our records and whatever you can think of. So obviously, if you lose this, then you have a serious problem.
Our technology is definitely among the best. That's what people say, experts say, and we want to see that in 10 years we're one of the leaders and we are protecting more people and letting them to do what they want with technology, to enjoy it.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's take a break. We'll join you shortly.
ये इंडिया में ना भाई साहब सब खींचते हैं, कोई किसी की टांग तो कोई किसी के कान, कभी जोर से तो कभी प्यार से, कोई खींचे बातों को तो खींचे कोई बातों को, और ऐसे ही सब खींचते हैं ऐसी वैसी तार जो पहुंचा सकती है आपके घर को भारी नुकसान। माइक्रोटेक वायर्स एंड केबल बिजली बचाए, आग से सुरक्षित रखे और हैवी लोड भी उठाए। तो अब से खींचो सिर्फ सही तार। माइक्रोटेक वायर्स एंड केबल, सही तार खींचो।
So ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back. Now hold your breath to know the winners of DT Awards 2020, Best Laptop Brand 2020. And the winner is Dell. May I request Mr. Gunjan Arora from Dell India to please join us on stage and collect the award. May I request Mr. Parminder Pal Singh from Macron to please join us on the stage and do the honor. Can I have a round of applause for Mr. Gunjan Arora from Dell India?
Thank you so much for inviting us. Thanks to DT Awards.
The next award is Best Motherboard Brand 2020. And the winner is Gigabyte. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Saurav Kumar from Gigabyte. I'll just request sir to please join us on stage and collect the award. So ladies and gentlemen, to do the honor, I would like to request Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, publisher and editor, DT, to please join us on stage. And the next award is Best Wireless Router Brand 2020. And the winner is D-Link. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Pooja Sharma from D-Link. I'll just request ma'am to please join us on stage and collect the award. May I ask Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, editor and publisher, DT, and Miss Jyoti Janda, executive editor, DT, to please join us on the stage and do the honor. The next award is Best Memory Module Brand 2020, and the winner is Kingston Technology. Next award is Best UPS Brand 2020, and the winner is Microtech. And may I request Mr. Devendra Sharma from Microtech to please join us on the stage and collect the award. May I request Mr. Parminder Pal Singh from Macron to please join us on the stage and do the honor. So the next award is Best HDD Brand 2020, and the winner is Seagate Technology. May I request Miss Neha Sinha from Seagate to please join us on stage and collect the award. To do the honor, I would like to request Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, publisher and editor, DT, to please join us on stage. Upcoming award is the Best Mini PC Brand 2020, and the winner is Asus. May I request Mr. Anuj from ASUS to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Anuj. May I ask Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Editor and Publisher, DT, and Ms. Jyoti Janda, Executive Editor, DT, to please join us on the stage and do the honor.
Hello everyone, thank you DT for giving this prestigious award to ASUS. Feeling proud to be a member of ASUS family and receiving the award on the behalf of ASUS Technology.
So the next award is Best Gaming Laptop Brand 2020 and the winner is Acer. May I request Mr. Amit Raghuvanshi from Acer to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is Best Cybersecurity Brand 2020 and the winner is Kaspersky. May I request Mr. Rohit Sood from Kaspersky to please come on the stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Sood?
Thank you DT for this prestigious award. It's my honor to receive this award on behalf of Kaspersky India. This is an award dedicated to the entire team who has worked hard and supported the customers during the pandemic time. Once more, thank you, and it's our gratitude and privilege and honor to receive this award. Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, the next award is Best Inkjet Printer Brand 2020 and the winner is Canon. May I request Ms. Bini Rawat to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for the lady? Best UTM Brand 2020 and the winner is Sophos XG Fireball. May I request someone on the behalf of Sophos to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Best External Drive Brand 2020 and the winner is Seagate Technology. May I request Ms. Neha Sinha from Seagate to please come and collect the award. Next award is Best ERP Solution Brand 2020 and the winner is Tele Solutions. May I request Mr. Gyanendra from Tele to please join us on stage and collect the award. To present the next award, I would like to request Mr. Sanjeev Krishna, Chairman Iris Group, to please join us on stage and do the honor. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for the gentleman?
Thanks a lot DT for recognizing our efforts. Thanks.
So the next award is Best SSDs Brand 2020 and the winner is Western Digital. And may I request Mr. Vivek from Western Digital to please come up on the stage and collect the award. the next award is Best Gaming Graphic Card Brand 2020. And the winner is AMD Radeon.
Thank you to the Team Digital Terminal for recognizing AMD Radeon as the best GPU for the year 2020. Thank you again.
So the next award is Best Flash Drive Memory Brand 2020. And the winner is Western Digital. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Indrabhan Verma from Western Digital to please come and collect the award. May I ask Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Editor and Publisher DT, and Ms. Jyoti Chanda, Executive Editor DT, to please join us on the stage and do the honor. So the next award is Best Gaming Cabinet Brand 2020. And the winner is Cooler Master. May I request Mr. Jitendra Singh from Cooler Master to please come and collect the award. So people, the next award is Best Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Brand 2020. And the winner is Corsair. May I request Mr. Deep Kumar from Corsair to please join us on the stage and collect the award.
Thanks DT for this prestigious recognition. Thanks a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is Best Smartphone Brand 2020. And the winner is Samsung.
Thank you Digital Terminal for choosing Samsung as the best smartphone brand for 2020. This is a testimony to our commitment to our consumers. We thank all consumers and all Samsung fans for choosing us as the number one. Thank you very much.
So the next award is for Best Smart TV Brand 2020. And the winner is Mi TV.
Hi everyone, my name is Ishwar. I lead the TV category here at Xiaomi. We are very excited and honored to receive the award for the Best Smart TV Brand for 2020. We would like to thank the jury members of Digital Terminal and all our fans who went and voted for us. We started our Smart TV journey a little over 2.5 years ago, and in this short period, we are very happy to share that we have shipped over 5 million Smart TVs in India. We are one of the brands to spot the trends very, very early and bring the best products with the greatest quality to all our Mi fans. Once again, I would like to thank all the jury members and fans for giving this award to us. Thank you.
Now the next award is Best Gaming Motherboard Brand 2020. And the winner is ASUS. May I request Mr. Anuj from ASUS to please come and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Anuj? So the next award is Best Smartwatch Brand 2020. And the winner is Amazfit. May I request Mr. Happy Anand from Amazfit to please come and collect the award. May I request Mr. Gunjan Arora, Regional Marketing Manager, Dell Technologies, to please join us on stage and do the honor.
First off, I would want to start by thanking DT Awards for their efforts and recognition and appreciation to attempt the various brands that are trying to bring the best in consumer market today. I feel like it's great initiative by DT Awards to bring together all the key stakeholders who work behind the scenes to promote the industry as we know it today. Thank you.
So the next award is Best Earbuds Brand 2020. And the winner is Boat. So ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Ankush from Boat to please join us on the stage and collect the award.
I am honored to be receiving Digital Terminals Best Earbuds Brand 2020 Award on behalf of my Boat family and Boathead community. Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's take a break. We'll be back shortly.
I believe heroes are made, not born. Strong, dependable. These are the makings of a hero. Got what it takes. They don't stop. With Acer by your side, be the hero you're meant to be.
मिश्रा जी, अरे नए मैनेजर के बारे में सुना है?
काम अब यूं हो जाते हैं। अरे नए मैनेजर के साथ काम करना बहुत आसान है, बिल्कुल हमारे हिसाब से ही चलता है। हाँ यार, मस्त है।
The new manager is superb, yeah. Understands exactly what we need.
ये आपने अच्छा नहीं किया सर। कलेक्शन सब मैं मैनेज करूं, गोडाउन से मैं कोऑर्डिनेट करूं, रिपोर्टिंग पे सब काम मैं करूं। एक हफ्ते छुट्टी पे क्या गया, आपने मुझे प्रमोशन देने की बजाय नया मैनेजर रख लिया। वाह सर, वाह वाह, मतलब वाह।
ओनर कौन है?
यह है हमारा नया बिजनेस मैनेजर।
नया टैली प्राइम, जो आपके बिजनेस को समझे, संभाले और बनाए आसान हर दिन।
और सर, मेरी प्रमोशन
the rhythm.
Zebronics, इंडिया की धुन, अब इंडिया तो सुन.
Avita, live it up.
So the next category of awards, and the award is for best performing laptop, and the winner is Dell XPS. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Gunjan Arora from Dell. May I request sir to please join us on stage and collect the award. The next award is Best Quality Bluetooth Headset, and the winner is Harmonix 300. So the next award is India's trusted mini PC brand for business, and the winner is Leva. May I request Mr. Pavan Kumar from ECS to please join us on stage and collect the award. To present the next award, I would like to request Mr. Sanjeev Krishna, Chairman Iris Group, to please join us on stage and do the honor.
Thanks GT, thanks Rajiv, thanks Jyoti for recognizing ECS Leva. Thank you so much.
So the next award is Most Trusted Laptop for Gamers, and the winner is Alienware. And may I request Mr. Gunjan Arora from Dell India to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Thank you so much for inviting us. Thanks to DT Awards. Thank you.
The next award is Fastest Growing Gaming Motherboard, and the winner is ASRock Steel Legend. So the next award is Best Wi-Fi 6 Router Brand, and the winner is TP-Link. May I request Miss Sahila from TP-Link to please join us on stage and collect the award.
We TP-Link India team would like to congratulate Digital Terminal team for successfully completing its 11th edition of the DT Awards, and would also like to thank them for honoring us with this prestigious award. Through this medium, we would also like to thank our channel and retail partners for continuous support and belief in TP-Link, and we wish them a successful year ahead. Thank you.
The next award is Most Trusted Storage Solution Brand, and the winner is Western Digital. May I request Mr. Vivek from Western Digital to please join us on stage and collect the award. The next award is Most Popular Gaming Brand in India, and the winner is Aorus. May I request Mr. Saurav Kumar from Gigabyte to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Best Performing Motherboard, and the winner is ASRock Taichi. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for the most trusted and advanced security for enterprise and SMEs. And the winner is ESET. May I request Mr. Rohit Srivastava from ESET to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Thank you. ESET is truly honored to receive the most trusted and advanced security award from Digital Terminal. On the behalf of ESET, I would like to thank my customers, my partners for the trust they have in us.
So the next award is Best Surveillance Storage Brand. And the winner is Skyhawk Drive Seagate. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Neha Sinha from Seagate. And once again, I'll request you, ma'am, to please join us on stage and collect the award. And the next award is for the Best Industrial UPS. And the winner is Uniline. May I request Mr. Chandrasekhar from Uniline to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Best Design and Quality Earbuds. And the winner is Belkin. May I request Mr. Amir Khan from Belkin to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for the fastest growing laptop brand, and the winner is Avita. May I request Ms. Seema Bhatnagar, Regional Business Director, South Asia and Country General Manager, India at Nextgo Company Limited to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Thank you, DT, very much for this award. We will complete 2 years on 24th of January next year. First award we received in India was DT Award, and this is the second award in a row. Thank you. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you very much.
So the next award is Best Make in India Partner Support App. And the winner is Seagate Skyhawk App. May I request Ms. Neha Sinha from Seagate to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Most Advanced and Innovative Laptop Brand. And the winner is MSI. May I request the representative from MSI to please join us on stage and collect the award. And the next award is Fastest Gaming GPU. And the winner is Asus ROG Strix RTX 3090. May I request Mr. Anuj from Asus to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Anuj? So So the next award is Most Reliable Structured Cabling Brand, and the winner is DD Soul. May I request Miss Ekta Thakkar from DD Soul to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Ekta.
Firstly, I would like to thank the Digital Terminal team, Jyoti, Rajiv, for this award. And I hereby accept this prestigious award on behalf of the entire Digisol team for their dedication and hard work. Thank you so much.
So the next award is Emerging Brand in Gaming Memory segment. And the winner is Crucial Ballistics. May I request Mr. Parminder Pal Singh from Micron to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Singh?
Thank you, Digital Terminal, for considering us for this award. This award really is dedicated to Team Micron and to the channel partners who has made this happen over the period of time. Thank you so much for that.
So the next award is Most Advanced Security Solution for Enterprise, and the winner is Bitdefender.
Thank you, Rajiv and team, for choosing Bitdefender as the best product for enterprise and SMB security. We are thankful to you for that. We would not be able to attend the event, but we wish you all the very best. We wish all the partners attending the event a very fruitful and good 2021. Thank you once again for giving the award to Bitdefender.
So ladies and gentlemen, the next award is #1 Indian PC Gaming Brand, and the winner is Zebronics. So people, the next award is for the best budget smartphone brand, and the winner is Infinix. May I request Mr. Kamal from Infinix to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Best High Performance Memory Module, and the winner is Corsair. May I request Mr. Deep Kumar from Corsair to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Best Enterprise Service Provider Brand 2020, and the winner is Tata Teleservices Limited. May I request Mr. Aditya Kinra, VP Enterprise Tata, to please come upon the stage and collect the award.
Thank you, DT, for recognizing Tata Teleservices as the best enterprise service provider. It's an honor to represent the organization and collect this award. Thank you very much.
The next award is #1 Indian Soundbar Brand, and the winner is Zebronics. So the next award is Best Value for Money Motherboard, and the winner is MSI. May I request Mr. Naresh from MSI to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Thanks DT for providing this award.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is fastest growing motherboard brand in India. And the winner is Galax. May I request Mr. Ajay from Galax to please join us on stage and collect the award. Next award is for the most effective home mesh Wi-Fi. And the winner is Tenda MW5G. May I request Mr. Mranal from Tenda to please join us on stage and collect the award. So the next award is Most Innovative Trolley Speaker. And the winner is Gizmo T6000. May I request Mr. Nishant from Gizmo to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Thank you, Digital Terminal, for such a wonderful initiative. This actually helps us, startups like us. It motivates us. Thank you so much, Rajiv. Thank you.
So the next award is Most Sought After NVMe SSD Brand. And the winner is Crucial by Micron. May I request Mr. Parminder Pal Singh from Micron to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Singh?
Thank you, Digital Terminal, for considering us for this award. This award really is dedicated to Team Micron and to the channel partners who has made this happen over the period of time. Thank you so much for that.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, it's a break. We'll join you very shortly. So the next set of awards, and the very first award of this category is Best National Distributor 2020, and the winner is RP Tech India. Next award is Best Value Added Distributor 2020, and the winner is Supertron Electronics Private Limited. May I request Mr. B. Rajesh to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Thank you, Digital Terminal team, for giving us this opportunity to speak on behalf of our Supertron team. I am extremely honored for receiving such an important award on behalf of Supertron VAD team.
So the next award is Most Preferred National Distributor 2020, and the winner is Iris Global Services Private Limited. May I request Mr. Sanjeev Krishan to please join us on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sanjeev Krishan is from IRIS.
It's an honor to be given this recognition and the award for being the most preferred distributor. I'd like to thank our partners for selecting us, and I would like to, more than that, thank our employees who have worked day and night to make this award possible. And above all, I'd like to thank DT who have actually recognized us. So thank you very much, Rajiv and Jyoti, for this award.
So people, the next award is Fastest Growing Distributor 2020, and the winner is Devraz Computers Private Limited. So the next award is Fastest Growing Value Added Distributor for Security 2020, and the winner is BD Soft Distribution Private Limited.
Thank you and the team of DT Media to honor us with the award for Best Growing Security Value Added Distributor in India. We are thankful for that. Unfortunately, we could not attend the event, but we wish you all the very best. And once again, we thank you and media houses like you who help us in growing our network across the country by constantly giving the news and information about our companies and product across to various channel and IT partners across India. Once again, best of luck and wish you the very happy New Year 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is Most Trusted Value Added Distributor 2020, and the winner is Tech Data. May I request Mr. Dheeraj from Tech Data to please join us on stage and collect the award.
Hello everyone, on behalf of Tech Data India, I thank BT for this award. We will take this opportunity to thank our all valued partners across the country as well as our esteemed vendors for all the support throughout the year and especially during these tough times of last 10 months. Thank you so much and I wish you all the best and all the safe health. Thank you.
So the next set of awards and the very first award of this category is Most Popular PC Brand, and the winner is Acer. May I request Mr. Amit Raghuvanshi from Acer to please join us on stage and collect the award. This award is Comprehensive Cybersecurity Brand. And the winner is Sophos.
Hello. Thank you very much for my listeners and viewers for this video. I just would like to thank Digital Terminal for recognizing us as best UTM for XG Firewall and the complete, comprehensive security brand as Sophos. So thank you very much, Digital Terminal, and all the channel partners who have voted in favor of Sophos. Really, really thankful to all of you, and we are truly humbled by this gesture, by this industry recognition, as this also inspires us to keep innovating in technology and keep securing the customers whom you are actually providing these services. So really thankful to you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So the next award is Best Marketing Initiative for PC Adoption. And the winner is Dell Aram. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Gunjan Arora from Dell India to please join us on stage and collect the award. And the next award is Best Networking Brand. And the winner is TP-Link. May I request Ms. Sahila from TP-Link India to please come and collect the award. DT would like to congratulate all the winners and would like to thank all our digital audience who took out their time to attend this virtual event. The most important is a big thank to all our partners: Dell, Micron, TP-Link, Western Digital, ESET, Gigabyte, Acer, Sophos, Asus, Kaspersky, Telesolutions, Avita, Microtech, MSI, Uniline, Cooler Master, Potronics, AS Rock, DG Soul, Wilkin, BD Soft, Corsair, Zebronics, Architect India, Gizmo, Iris Global Services for making this event grand success. This grand virtual event is executed and managed by News.Media Private Limited. But before we sign off, let's have a group picture. We will see you all next year in the 12th edition of DT Awards. Thank you.